holidays are coming, and some of you guys plan to board your pet while you travel, but you want to make sure your pet stays healthy. We're going to talk about kennel cough because, like you said, it's like kids in a daycare. Once it starts, it just spreads. So joining me now is Dr. Christian Broadhurst from the Clay County Humane Society. We appreciate you coming in.
Thanks for having me.
Molly, what are you doing, girl?
It's a rough life.
Oh.
It's a rough life.
I'm like, did you not get enough sleep today?
No.
What a sweetie. So first, Molly had a broken leg, so you guys are repairing it. She's doing well.
She's doing very well.
But let's talk about kennel cough because you said, if a dog is in proximity with other dogs, this can really happen.
It is most common at shelters, hence the name kennel cough.
Right.
However, any dogs, dogs who meet each other at, let's say, the dog park, at the pet store, at vet clinics, anytime dogs are mixed together and one of them has a component of kennel cough, it's very easy for them to transmit it to each other. So,
what does that sound like in your dog?
It's very much like a goose honking cough. It is very dry and very harsh. Not at all wet, and they really sound like they're honk, honk, honk. It's pretty terrible.
And for them, is it really just kind of annoying?
It's irritating and annoying. Now, in immunosuppressed dogs or dogs that get other viruses like canine influenza, kennel cough can turn into pneumonia, so it can become a very serious problem, usually in older or very young or immunosuppressed dogs.
Okay, so if your dog does develop this, there's kind of a twofold approach to treating it.
Yeah, definitely. Now, the viral component generally has to run its course.
Right.
There's very little we can do about that. If bacteria are involved, then absolutely we should do a course of antibiotics. If you're concerned, your dog's been boarding, a few days to a week later, they come back and they got this harsh, hacky cough, especially when they're walking on leash, go see your vet. Absolutely, because if it's kennel cough, we can slow it down, if not subvert it entirely with antibiotics. However, Bordetella kennel cough is something that we can prevent or at least greatly diminish with vaccination.
And how does that work? Is that a yearly, or is it once it's in the system, it's there forever?
It depends. Generally, no, it definitely needs boostering, but some vaccines need boostering more than others. My recommendation, if you know you're going to the kennel, let's say for Thanksgiving, go a couple of weeks ahead of time and get a booster vaccination.
Oh, really? Okay.
It's generally, we tell people it's generally effective for about 4 to 6 months. If you're more than 4 to 6 months out and you're going to be boarding, it'd be a good idea to get it boosted.
Okay. Can it transfer to humans at all, or it's strictly for the dogs?
Not contagious to humans. Contagious to dogs. Some variations can move to cats, but generally speaking, just dogs.
Okay, and also just talk about vaccinations in general when you are planning to take your dog to your child, because for them they are children.
Your fur baby.
But to a kennel. There are certain things that they have to have, or they won't be allowed to stay.
Contact your kennel before you go, your boarding facility, and find out. But they're almost certainly going to need rabies. They're likely going to need distemper, hepatitis parvo. Some are requiring lepto, some are requiring influenza vaccines as well. So if the worst thing you do, walk into your shelter or walk into your kennel and not have the vaccinations you need to be able to leave your dog there.
Are there some things that, people should really look for when they are selecting where they want to leave their dog? Are there some clear signs that maybe this might not be the right place for your pet?
I would definitely do my research. There's a lot of online searches you can do. Customer reviews are important because there's nothing more important than someone who's actually been there, who's actually left their dogs there and come back with a good feeling or a bad feeling.
Right.
But
you kind of have that instinct when you get in there too.
Trust your gut.
There's some really fancy places.
There are some amazingly fancy places in town. Pet Paradise is one I'm a big fan of, and they are spectacular.
Yeah,
so.
you can watch your dog from wherever you are and make sure that they're being well taken care of. I've even heard of some where they will read to your pet. And I don't know if that's a joke or not, but they will sit and they'll read to the dogs.
There are some organizations that are actually bringing kids into schools to read to shelter animals.
Yeah,
so
which is therapeutic for everybody, though.
Absolutely.
Because our pets, they're so good for our hearts.
They are.
I have a cat, and one day I think we
Only one?
I only have one, and she's a Siamese. So they have attitudes.
Yes, they do.
So,
yes, they do.
We kind of fight over who's the woman in charge in the house occasionally, but definitely. All right, so thank you for coming in.
Thanks for having me in today.
We want to make sure those animals stay healthy. So if you know a pet owner who could use this information and you want to share it with them, just go on news4jax.com. We will post that on a little later. Vic, over to you.